Hello and welcome. This is Gary Garnett, and today I want to show you probably one of the best products I've ever found on the internet. It's called Newbie Lessons, and you get instant access to over 300 how-to videos and learn everything you need to know to start your online business successfully in 2018. So I'm going to show you what you get with this product. It's unbelievable. You got videos on web hosting, cPanel tutorials, FTP tutorials, HTML web design, CSS, PayPal, JVZoo, ClickBank, affiliate marketing, Amazon, Warrior Forum, social media like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, Hootsuite, LinkedIn, list building tutorials, Aweber, GetResponse, product launches, video creation, freelancing tutorials, SEO, mini site and PLR editing, graphic design, WordPress basic tutorials, how to speed up your WordPress, WordPress security, Google tools like Gmail Analytics, AdSense, how to use scripts, zips, PDFs, online software. Plus you get a bunch of these other little bonuses here. 20 newbie mindset mistakes, list building mistakes, newbie copywriting mistakes. There's all kinds of stuff here. And it's only $19.95. Like, it is an absolute steal. I'm going to actually take you right into the back office here. And here's what you get. So if you wanted to know something about web hosting, you just go down here and it's going to give you all these different things. Some WordPress setup, basic security speed up, cPanel, FTP, HTML, CSS, Google tools, graphics. If you want to learn how to get free graphics by using GIMP or Paint, how to set up PayPal, ClickBank, JVZoo, forum marketing, social media, SEO optimization, AdWords, miscellaneous, zip files, Jing, screen capture, affiliate marketing, Amazon, list building, Aweber. Let's just say you want to know something about Aweber. Email follow-ups, you click on here and it'll start the video. It'll be a 5-minute video. There you go. So we'll go back to that page. Get response. Oh, I'm going to turn this one off. Product launches, PLR editing, video creation. This is where I learned how to use Screencast-O-Matic, EasyVid, which I didn't like as much, Jing, there's freelancing, webmaster tools, support desk, how to install a support desk, pass managers like RoboForm and stuff like that. Anyways, it's unbelievable the amount of information on here for 20 bucks. Like, you almost can't live without it if you're trying to do any kind of marketing online. So I highly recommend it. I use it all the time. So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.